Good evening, everyone. I am Advocate Makarand Kale. I am practicing in Bombay High Court. From few days I am suffering from stress, and that's why I decided to join this class. There was a little bit doubt about the outcome of this course. Anyways, I was suffering from stress. That's why I have taken this class. But afterwards, this is the 2 days. Now this is the last day. Now the improvement is phenomenal. So I suggest everybody can join this class for 2 days.
What are the things you did here?
Now, first of all, the most important thing is the stress management. Secondly, understanding your own mind, how the mind works. And there are several difficulties we face. We don't know what is the reason of that. After finishing this work, finishing this course, you definitely understand what are the pros and cons of our problems, which goes to the root of them.
So have you gone through some specific meditations to relax your mind?
Yes, Kundalini meditation, then Tatak. There are several 4 to 5 pranayams which have been taught. And that's why the experience is pretty good. Nowadays people are suffering from stress only. That is the biggest. So stress management is very essential for especially people who are living in metro cities. So my experience was very good.
Okay, sir.
My only request is that whenever you are keeping these seminars, keep it on weekend so that the majority working professional can join it, Saturday, Sunday, etc.
Yes, exactly, absolutely. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.